Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So I'm looking at these two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 3200 series and the DeLonghi Eletta. Both seem pretty good, but I'm not sure which one to pick.
Yeah, I saw those. Okay, so the Philips is going for $599, and the DeLonghi, well, it's currently unavailable, which is a bummer. But let's talk specs anyway.
Right. Let's pretend the DeLonghi was available. What stands out to you?
First thing, the Philips is a bit lighter. 21.6 pounds versus the DeLonghi's 24.2 pounds. And it's slightly smaller overall, which might be good if you're tight on counter space.
Good point. The Philips is 17 DX 10 inches WX 15 inches H, and the DeLonghi is 14.1 6 DX 10.2 WX 18.36 H. Taller, but not as deep. What about features?
The Philips boasts about its LatteGo system for milk frothing, saying it creates silky smooth froth. It also makes iced coffee, which is cool.
Okay. The DeLonghi has a latte crema system, and it mentions making cappuccinos, lattes, macchiatos. So more milk-based options maybe? Also, the DeLonghi can brew 2 cups at once.
Ah, good catch. The Philips only seems to do 1 cup at a time. The DeLonghi also has a silent grinder with 13 settings, which sounds fancy.
The Philips highlights its ceramic grinder, saying it's good for at least 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee. What about cleaning?
Both claim to be easy to clean. The Philips has a removable brew group you can rinse, and the DeLonghi has automatic cleaning programs and dishwasher-safe parts. And the DeLonghi has descaling programs too.
The reviews. The DeLonghi has a higher rating, 4.8 versus the Philips 4.1. But the Philips has more reviews overall, 20 against 10. Yeah, it's a tough call. I guess if I really wanted those extra drink options and 2-cup brewing, I'd wait for the DeLonghi. Otherwise, the Philips seems like a solid choice, especially if iced coffee is my jam. And the immediate availability is a plus. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.